Hey, this is English Explained, and we're diving into the provocative idiom, push your buttons. It's all about someone intentionally doing or saying something that specifically annoys, provokes, or irritates you, often because they know exactly what will get a reaction. It's like they've found your emotional trigger. Let's break it down with examples so you really get it. My little brother loves to push my buttons by hiding my phone. He deliberately does things he knows annoy me. His loud music at 7 a.m. really pushes my buttons. It's so irritating every time. She teases me about my old shoes to push my buttons. She knows it bugs me. The idiom push your buttons is relatively modern, gaining popularity in the mid to late 20th century. It comes from the idea of a mechanical device with literal buttons that, when pressed, trigger a specific action or response. Just like pressing a button on a machine makes it do something, pushing someone's buttons makes them react emotionally, often in an irritated or angry way. It effectively conveys the idea of having specific emotional triggers that others can intentionally activate. Use push your buttons in casual conversations to describe when someone deliberately does or says something they know will annoy, irritate, or provoke another person. It's perfect for explaining why someone reacted strongly to a seemingly minor issue or to caution someone against falling into a trap set by a provocateur. It's an informal idiom, best suited for everyday interactions. Does your language have a similar phrase? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe.